how to connect Printify on Shopify. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect Printify on Shopify. Navigate to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on the Add App option. From the menu, select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Printify and click for the search result. Click the Install button. Click on Install App at the top. Once Printify is installed, connect it to your Google account. Finally, provide additional information about your store to establish a connection with your Shopify. That's it, you have successfully connected Printify to your Shopify store. That concludes the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update from me. Your comments and input mean a lot to me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.